Here are 3 things that I think will happen in 2025 that will send SoFi stock to much higher levels than they are right now. Number 1, S&P 500 inclusion. Now, obviously, this is a total guess, but what I think will happen is something similar to what happened with Palantir stock, where we're getting these massive growth numbers from a company, and it is a growth company with a great leader in front of it. Anthony Noto isn't as outspoken as Alex Karp is with Palantir, but I think nonetheless they are both great leaders with great visions for the future. They don't care what any of the noise is around them. They know what they're running, and they know how to grow a company even in the worst macro environments. Number 2, I think we see over $20 a share shortly after January 27th. When I say shortly after, I mean the first couple weeks after we could see SoFi continue to pump up, because the first quarter of 2025 is where I think the biggest growth and I guess the biggest realization overall in the stock market is going to be when people see the growth numbers in this first quarter of Q1 2025. And the third thing is, I think by the end of the year, we could reach $35 to $40 a share in SoFi, which is a 2.5-3x from right now. I don't see why more people aren't looking at SoFi, because most companies, especially in a recession like we've been in the last couple of years, if you're a growth company, there's no reason why you should be growing as rapidly and in fact becoming profitable quicker than anybody could have ever imagined you become. Well, that's what we're getting with SoFi, guys. I just think all the stars are going to line up if we get S&P inclusion, if we get a huge earnings beat in Q1, and we just get a lot more investors that weren't having eyes on a growth company like SoFi, and they wanted to put their money in more safe plays because of the macro environment that we've had. They don't like to take the riskier plays, which you could call SoFi a risky play, but when you see their vision, I really think it's actually one of the safer plays out there. It's all the stars are aligning for SoFi. I'm super bullish on SoFi. If there's a stock you guys want me to look at, and I'll just look at the macro level, the micro level, and just see what they're doing, make sure you let me know in the comment section down below. Make sure you like, subscribe, enjoy the videos that I'm posting, and yeah, good luck investing, guys.